Hey guys, check out this super cute busy board. This busy board is perfect because I love how compact it actually can become, and you can take it anywhere with you. But first, let me show you a little bit about it. So here up top, you have your Velcro parts. You have all your shapes, and they just Velcro on nice and easy so the kids can go ahead and learn their shapes. They have their numbers that they can go ahead and match also, helps with their counting. I love how there's like actually some fruit there so they can go ahead and count. It shows like their fingers so they can learn on their hands. And it also has the word and the number on it. So you have a lot of information packed in one little spot. You have gears over here on the side. You also have this here, they can go ahead and learn. A lot of times that's on like a jacket, so they can go ahead and practice that. And then one of my favorite parts here is in the middle, you have where your kids, I like to do like a morning routine, so they can go ahead and they pick which month it is, and these just slide nice and easy. Also what day, you have the weather with a little arrow here. You have what season it is, you can do the time, and you also have AM and PM. And this is so fun because I love that I can use this for my older kids too when they're learning that, especially with the time and the months. You have your buckles, your snaps, your shoelaces, you have everything over here, including your zipper. And like I said, how cute is it? It's like a cute little dinosaur. So it's just really nice if you are using it for more of like decoration, whether it is in a classroom or in your nursery or your child's bedroom, a playroom, it just looks so cute. So it does come with rubber double-sided sticky tape that you can go ahead and put on the wall, and you can attach this right to the wall. But like I said, that works perfect, and I probably will end up doing that in my kids' playroom, but I love how I can take this anywhere. So I can move it from room to room. My kids love playing with it, whether it's on the table or right on the floor. This is also really nice if you are traveling. You can go ahead and just fold it right up. And look how compact that is. You can go ahead and take it right with you. You can pack it in your suitcase. It's perfect for if you're going to a hotel and you're not sure if your kid's gonna have anything to play with. This is great to keep them busy. So I love how big it is too. Like I said, there's different things for different ages on here. My kids range from young, 1 year old, all the way up to 6, 7 years old. So there's something for everyone on here, enough space for everyone to use it. So if you're looking for a really nice busy board, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.